Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Magical Droplets. I am Chital Shah, and today's pick a card reading is to receive guidance and messages from Archangel Michael. I am so incredibly grateful to each and every one of you for stopping by and spending your valuable time with me on this channel and watching this reading. So, for today's pick a card reading, we have three piles with us: pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. Take a few brief moments and select the pile that you are drawn to. Once you have been done selecting your piles, please go down in the description section below to receive your guidance and messages from Archangel Michael. This would be a very quick reading, so it would hardly take any of your time, and you would receive important messages from Archangel Michael. So, see you at your timestamps. So, all those who have selected pile number 1, let's receive important messages and guidance from Archangel Michael for you all. So, the cards that we have for you: lean on God and the angels for support. You are on the right path, and keep your eyes on your targeted intention. So, with these three cards, Archangel Michael is telling you all that it is safe for you to ask for support from God and the angels. Archangel Michael, along with other angels and archangels and God and goddesses, is present with you to help you, support you, and guide you. All you need to do is ask for their help and assistance. There has been long period of wait in your life and you have been trying to do things on yourself. So with this card, lean on God and the angels for support. Angels, archangels, Archangel Michael and God and the goddesses are asking you to call upon them and share your issues with them and let them to help you and assist you in your life and with whatever task it is that you have been worried about. As you allow God, goddesses, archangels to help and guide you, things will start improving within a very short period of time and you will see quick results in your endeavors. So, with the next card, you are on the right path. Archangel Michael is telling you that whatever it is that you are working on, do not worry, it is the right path for you. You have been divinely guided by angels, archangels, and God goddesses towards your goals, and what you are working on right now is your right path. Do not worry about anything. Let the divine guidance help you and guide you towards the next steps that you need to take. And trust yourself that you are capable and talented and on the right path. And the final card that we have for you is keep your eyes on your targeted intention. With this card, Archangel Michael is asking you that be very focused and clearly intent what you want to achieve and where you would like to go in your life. As you have your intentions set, as you have targeted what you want to achieve and when you want to achieve it, things would be very easy for you to move on and it would really be easy for the angels to provide you. As you are clear, the angels also know what you wish to achieve in your life and where you would like to go so that they can help and support you in your endeavors. As you keep changing your path, it becomes difficult for God, angels, and the divine to change everything behind the scenes to help you reach your desired destination. Do not worry about how, when, where it would happen, and how much efforts you need to make towards your targets and your goals and your visions, because once you are very crystal clear, your focused intentions will take you there along with divine support of God, goddesses, and archangels. I hope all of you resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. If you wish to send donations or book a private reading, links have been mentioned in the description box below. Thank you. So, all those who have selected pile number 2, let's begin with your reading. So, pile number 2, the cards that we have from Archangel Michael are energy healing work, guarded and protected, and it's time for you to leave this unhealthy situation. So for many of you selecting this pile, I feel that either you are an energy healer or you require energy healing work in your life right now. uh, there is an important message and guidance that is coming to you through Archangel Michael, through the divine and the universe, which needs you to be in a meditative state and in a mood of receiving. As you dive deep into yourself and the inner knowledge, the guidance with the divine is guiding you, you will receive important information which will help you move ahead in your life and achieve the success and recognition that you have been waiting all along. With the guarded and protected card, Archangel Michael is telling you that you and your loved ones are safe. You need not worry about anyone or anything. Know that everything is taken care of by Archangel Michael and it is safe for you to continue on your path. Don't worry if you do X thing or Y thing, things might go wrong or you will be attracting negative energy or negative emotions, or you will fall prey to bad eyes or evil eyes, because Archangel Michael is here to protect you and guard you. And with this card, it has been confirmed that you need to move ahead on the path that you have been divinely guided towards, because Archangel Michael is protecting you, one, and second, that is what your life purpose is all about. Third, and that is something that people around you need the most. So please continue on your path without worrying about anything. With the final card, it's time for you to leave this unhealthy situation. Archangel Michael is asking you to see which areas of your life do you feel stuck in. Are there any people or situations in and around you that are keeping you trapped? If so, evaluate over it and leave those unhealthy situations. If there are family members that you cannot leave physically, it is important for you to have an emotional distance with them. As you leave unhealthy situations and unhealthy energies in and around you, things will start improving. As you take your power back and claim your power, you are going to win no matter what. Continue doing your energy healing work and continue on your path so that you reach your destination and you become the powerhouse that you always knew was possible. Take, own, and acknowledge your power, spreading your light to everyone and everything around you. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media accounts. For donations and private readings, links have been mentioned in the description box below. Thank you. For all those people who have selected pile number 3, let's begin with your reading. So the messages that we have from Archangel Michael are: God is in charge. Let go of fear now. Spend more time outdoors. And you and your loved ones are safe. With these cards, Archangel Michael is asking you to let go of your fear. Do not let fear to take control over you, your life. And always know and remember that God is in charge of everything. God, along with Archangel Michael, other archangels, are always there to support you, to guide you, protect you. And with these two cards, they are asking you to let go of fear and continue on your path. There have been times where you have stopped working towards your dreams, towards your goals, and with God is in charge card and let go of fear card, Archangel Michael is asking you to work towards your goals without worrying about anyone or anything, because that is what you are meant to do. And as you continue on your path, you will spread love, light, and happiness to many people around you, which you may know personally or not. With spend more time outdoors, as many of you have been spending time indoors due to the pandemic, Archangel Michael is asking you to move out of your houses as much as possible, at least for 10 minutes in a day. Spend time near trees, near water bodies, and near plants that could help you freshen up your energies, bring more positive energies and positive vibrations in and around you, your auric field, so that you feel refreshed. And spending more time outdoors will also help you let go of fear and negative energies, and help you think logically without letting fear creep into you. With you and your loved ones are safeguard, Archangel Michael is telling you, do not worry about anything. So the important message for all of you, pile number 3, is let go of your fear. Do not worry about anything, because God, goddesses, archangels are taking care of you and your loved ones. As you let fear creep in your life, things are going to stop for you, and you will feel stagnated in your life in any particular area. So as you let go of fear, knowing that you are safe, your loved ones are safe, and whatever it is that you are doing is the right thing that you should do, which will bring you the success, the love, and everything that you desire. You will see an incredible, amazing result ahead. I hope you all resonated with the reading. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my social media accounts. Links have been mentioned in the description box below. For donations and private readings, links have also been mentioned in the description box below. Thank you.